Okay, so I wanted to quickly go over with you guys how to check performance stats on per game you're playing on the Steam Deck. Okay, it's actually easier than you'd think. You load up into whatever game or whatnot, then press the three dots here, right? And then by default, it should have you on this one. You'll see something like that purple. You want to go down one. You can either tap it or actually go down. See, well, you want to go down and slide this to whatever you want it on. Like if we slide it to 1, you'll see that just the frames appeared. You slide it to 2, we see that see, this is the one I usually like doing, and then we just have that there. But you can do more if you want. The 3, which if we do 3, this is what it looks like, gives even more stats. And then the 4, if you want, which gives the most stats. The advanced view as well, so you can even customize it per actual frame thing. You can give it, frame limit right there. You can disable frame limit, all that stuff. And I believe you can do this like on a per game. Yeah, per game level, I believe. So yeah, I'm going back to basic view. And like I said, when I am doing this, I like just sticking it on 2 when I do this, like for YouTube and stuff, because these are, in my opinion, like the basic stats that you need to see if the game is going to run well on Steam and whatnot, on the Steam Deck and whatnot. But yeah, I'm going to go back in here again and turn this off. And yeah, for those of you guys that didn't know, it's the 3 button. This button up here is technically a mini button, but it's for whatever game you're playing. This is the mini button for whatever game you're playing. This is another button, like, basically your start select buttons are over here. And this is your options for the actual Steam Deck thing. So yeah, like I said, by default, it's usually on there. And yeah, hopefully this has helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.